Why dumb people are getting rich. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how did this guy get so rich? You work hard, you study, you try to be smart with your money. Yet some clueless, uneducated, and sometimes even straight up dumb people are making millions while you struggle. But what if I told you they're not actually dumb? Or maybe intelligence isn't the key to getting rich anymore. Today we're going to expose the truth behind why so many so-called dumb people are getting insanely wealthy while smart, educated people are still stuck in 9-to-5 jobs. The answer will shock you. Stay with me till the end, because this video might just change the way you look at wealth forever. Segment 1. The illusion of intelligence and success. Most of us grow up believing that intelligence, education, and hard work lead to wealth. We are told, study hard, get good grades, get a degree, and you'll be successful. But in reality, some of the richest people never followed this path. Many top billionaires, influencers, and entrepreneurs were actually school dropouts or failed students. Example: Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and Mark Zuckerberg all dropped out of college. Example: many TikTok influencers, YouTubers, and even crypto investors made millions without a degree. This proves one thing: formal education is not equal to financial success. Segment 2. The dumb strategy that works. So if education and intelligence don't make you rich, what does? 1. Risk-taking ability. Highly educated people are often trained to play it safe. They want stability, security, and a job. Dumb people don't overthink. They take risks without hesitation, which sometimes leads to massive success. Example: many high school dropouts became entrepreneurs because they weren't afraid to fail. 2. The I don't care mindset. Overthinking is the killer of success. Many intelligent people analyze everything too much and delay action. So-called dumb people take action quickly without overanalyzing. Example: influencers who start businesses without knowing anything often succeed because they learn by doing. 3. Leveraging social trends and attention. Today's richest dumb people are those who understand attention economy. If you can grab attention, you can make money. Example: Logan Paul, Mr. Beast, and many TikTok stars leveraged attention into millions. This is why YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram influencers are making more money than doctors and engineers. Segment 3. The new economy and why intelligence is overrated. The world has changed. The traditional path, school, college, job, isn't the only way to make money. The internet, social media, and crypto have opened doors for dumb people to become rich without technical skills. The real skills that make people rich today: marketing and branding, knowing how to sell an idea, social media influence, the power of going viral. Taking action, speed matters more than intelligence. Networking, who you know is more important than what you know. So what do you think? Are these people really dumb? Or are they just playing a different game? If you want to escape the trap of overthinking and finally start making money, then drop a comment below with "I'm ready," and let's discuss more in the next video. And if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming video, where I'll reveal the best ways to get rich in 2025 without a degree. See you in the next one.